No, can you get it? Can we get it? Oh, mother. Oh. Okay, that one's fine. Guys, it's Blake with Y2K. We're getting ready to go check out Sippin' Science. It's a 90s trivia deal at the Discovery Center, which was like where I used to go as a kid in like elementary school and stuff. So, some Bill Nye stuff. We're gonna go drink some beer and play some 90s trivia. So, let's go. All right, we're here. We're in the X5M. I'm very happy. This is the Science Center. You know, knowledge is power, they say. So we're here to find out. Is knowledge really power? Science is exploration.
Me and Punch.
Both the same name. That's interesting.
Right, yeah, I didn't know how to put them.
No, it's fine. That's fine.
There you go. Yeah. I love nerds. Nerds.
I got you. Here's your 4 drink tickets.
All right.
Make your way around.
All right.
The food is in the kitchen.
Okay.
You all set?
Awesome, thank you.
Our friends are here. We got to see our friends twice today. Woo.
Y2K.
This is Y2K approved. Hey, look at that thing.
Yeah, just randomly went to...
Can you describe to me what this is exactly? It looks like a chameleon, I would say.
Joe.
Oh.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Pig. Oh. You got it. You're close.
Doesn't go down anymore.
Oh, there we go. Right there. For real. For real.
We're gonna get it. It's gonna happen.
Do it, Joe. Do it, Joe.
We got
Do
it.
it.
Now put it on the thing.
Back it up some.
Ooh, a little bit farther.
It's like putting a tow hitch on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Right
Ooh,
there.
we got it
Right
on
there.
the tee.
Oh, no.
No, a little bit to the left.
Oh, you're
no.
really on
What?
it. Dang it.
I gotta tell you, Steve.
What is it?
I think you won something.
What?
Alright guys, so
What?
I think you won something.
is going to go to Mario with the blue hair.
Go Sam!
Yeah.
Second place is going to go to Rugrats with
Yeah. Dang. Third and second we took.
Who is going to go to Britney Spears with the blonde hair.
Ooh. That's it. Dang, we got second and third. What'd you guys get?
You got money.
How much?
For just
25
straight
bucks?
up. Oh, sweet deals? No, I think it's a gift certificate.
Dang. Alright. Round 1, Operation for Joe.
Hey, no pressure, bro.
I'm blind in one eye right now, so this is gonna be a lot of fun.
The excuse is already coming out.
He really is blind.
I'm dyslexic. I'm like, that doesn't mean anything. He just... He's okay.
You know the tricks, Joe? Oh, we got one. He's still alive. How do we know if he's dead or not?
Dude, you're killing it.
Literally.
Ooh.
Oh man. The bold move, Cotton.
Going for that one.
Oh! Alright. Okay, you got 2. There's this guy here. We have no clue who he is, but he keeps coming up to us, talking to us like he's known us his whole life. He's dressed pretty cool, but it's kind of weird.
Alright, Blake.
Okay.
You gotta get the pieces that I didn't get.
Oh, that you didn't get?
Yeah, if I'm blind and was able to do that.
See, I feel like these have been rigged a little bit here.
They have.
Oh,
No.
okay, I'm going for
Right off the bat, failure.
Okay. Ooh, dog bone.
No, can you get it?
No. Oh, mother. Oh. Okay, that one's harder than the one.
They need to make this where it electrocutes you.
Alright. 2. I don't really know how we tell who won or not.
I mean,
Not have it buzz at all?
technically you're supposed to use the timer, but
Okay. You know what?
I've had enough of operation.
It's a little bit of Tito's and Joe's drinking IPA.
Alright, Blake, get one more.
Alright, one more?
Yep, go for that one.
Let me go for
Go
this
for the
one.
wishbone.
Oh, the wishbone. Ooh! Only one small buzz. Just one.
Just one. Patient's still
We're
alive.
gonna go find some other games now. This parrot is getting after it.
Oh yeah, he's got quite a bit of personality. He's not yelling tonight.
That's good.
Last time I was here, he was doing a lot of yelling.
You could probably bite this camera in half if you wanted to. No other parrot friends to speak of, Joe. Just him.
Well, they keep on cage 7.
Okay. Here's another
And
one.
there's also, I think, a parakeet back by the
Parakeet. This guy's all about it right now. Oh, he's dancing. Oh. Joe. Look at this parrot. He's bouncing his head up and down. Look, he's mimicking me. I don't know. Joe is kind of afraid of parrots.
No, I'm not.
I thought you were a little bit afraid. No? They can bite your whole finger off in one swoop. You know that?
I hope they bite yours.
What do you think about this one here?
That looks cool. It's nice.
So that guy just told me they keep the parakeets with the snakes. That doesn't sound like a good place for a parakeet.
Sounds dangerous. I like this guy. He's kind of, he just hangs out.
You think you could do any tricks? What if we put a parrot in the Diablo and drove around, saw what happened? You think I would get bit?
Probably.
Yeah. Hey, you know, I already figured out the next episode. We're going to the zoo.
Oh, the Crestview Zoo.
No, the Golf Breeze. Oh, wait, is the Crestview one better than Golf Breeze?
Yeah. I mean, the Golf Breeze one's good, but I also know the girl that runs the Crestview
Uh-huh.
Zoo. It's going to be different.
Do they have tigers? Giraffes?
Yep.
Elephants?
All of them.
All of it? Gorillas? Monkeys?
Where
All
would
right.
you go if they didn't have
We're going to the friggin' zoo.
Can we get a private tour?
You know, great thing about Y2K is you get to do all the things you did when you were a kid, but you don't have any parents with you anymore. Is that a giant turtle? Not bad.
I don't know what we're doing.
Another turtle. Got a Jenga challenge going on.
I'm about to lose, guys.
The key is to pulling out and it doesn't fall. Oh my.
Heather, oh God, do you accept the challenge?
I got bad news. Chicken nuggets weren't very good. Starting to wonder if they're really chicken. Or if it's maybe like boa python.
That's when, like, I'm dating and
Heather is next.
Good night, Heather.
I don't know how I feel about that one. Oh! I got some dope 90's jams going on right now. Well, here goes Gage.
That's Dylan.
Dylan? Why do I think his name's Gage? The other guy's Gage. Sam Van's going. Why'd you do a barking dog? That's my move. Alright, Sam's studying her move right now.
somebody if they call you out, like they can call you out and you have to pick up the whole Oh, so then you're
Oh, what? I didn't even see it. Which way did she go from?
She went from the
Where'd you pull?
She got
Where was
right
it?
here. Right here.
Oh. Oh, the center spot. Oh, that was smart.
You know what?
Oh, Leaning Tower Pizza right now. Ooh, this is great. Oh.
That is so rude.
Wow. Wow. This is serious right here. Is he washing? Is that a washing machine simulator? Electricity generator? Dang. This game is getting intense now. Just so everyone knows, Sam's favorite childhood TV show was Rocco's Modern Life. Sam, is that correct?
Yeah.
Turn the page, wash your hands.
They're gonna movie on Netflix.
They are? Uh-oh. Are you gonna sell it at Radron? We're getting up close and personal. Oh my god. That was impressive. Ton of wood there. Oh,
that's moving a lot.
oh, I don't know about that one. Oh, I would go.
She's committed. She's committed.
I think you gotta go bottom.
Hurry and get it back on the right side.
Ooh, oh. I mean, you gotta do it. Now, oh, you gonna slide it back in? Alright. Oh. Oh. Oh, if this actually works, whoever's next is done.
All the way to the right? Yeah.
Oh.
I feel it.
It wants to fall. This is the longest Jenga game I've ever seen in my life.
You got it. You got it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's very intense right now. Oh, now. Oh.
Now you gotta put it back.
Oh. Hold on, I gotta get that. Oh! She did it!
Yeah!
Oh. I can't even see what you're doing.
Come on, Heather.
Oh. This is serious right now. I'm gonna get the close up. Oh. Yeah. Wow! That was impressive. Dylan's dressed pretty dope today. Yeah. Let's keep it at 90s.
Those socks are fire.
I am the soccer dad, I heard that. I know your every move. Wouldn't it? That would be very Y2K.
Wait, how was that?
Whoa!
How was that easy?
What? Alright, I missed that one.
We can't touch it.
I gotta admit, I missed that one. Awaiting the loss at this point. Everyone's counting on you to lose.
The whole room captivated right now.
Yes.
If this isn't falling, you're gonna fall on you.
I think I might just do a whole episode on adult Jenga at this point. Because I don't know if I can fit all of it into one. Test the rigidity of each block. That's what we need to do right now.
Single block.
Every single block. Just get in there and do your engineer study on it, okay? Guys, look at this. It's flight. That's incredible. Oh, someone just did it. Ooh.
Sam did it. Sam did it.
Where though?
Where'd you pull it?
Yeah, where did it come from?
Samantha shot.
It was like a side piece.
A side piece? This is G-rated. How many times do I have to say it's a family show? All right, we got my wife Frau. She's trying to...
I think I'm going to lose.
Listen to the song. I Can Fly. Let's do it. Okay.
This is gonna
Let's do
fly
it.
to the ground.
Oh my god, is this Jennifer Lopez?
Okay, hold on.
This is Jennifer. I listened to this at the 7th grade party. It's awesome.
I'm ready for Casey and JoJo's.
Oh, whoa!
Oh! What's that?
Oh
Oh
my god.
my god, Heather!
How did you even do it that fast?
Alright, that too, Dylan, the new boyfriend.
New boyfriend.
I don't know why he did
New boyfriend. Oh?
Good job, Dylan.
Oh? Yeah, that's probably gonna work. That's probably gonna work. The concentration is intense.
Dang!
Man, he just served it up. Just served it up.
Alright, Sammy.
You walk away. That's right. You walk away. If it falls on you. It'll be fun.
Yeah, when you were like down there, like spread out.
Yeah, I was like,
Slowly, slowly. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure.
Once you do it, you got it on the same spot or no? You might have to go over here.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Mike! Rocco has done it.
wrong side, wrong side.
Oh, it's good. Oh.
Oh!
Oh! Frau! Wait, who won then?
Everyone but me.
Oh.
I won because I pushed it up.
How are there multiple winners? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode of Y2K. Have you ever seen a Jenga competition that serious before? I have. I feel sorry for the parakeet in the snake pit. That's not cool. But we had a great time. The Science Center of the Emerald Coast is a good place to check out if you're in the Fort Walton area on vacation in Destin. Maybe, I don't know, but it's fun. So, if you like what you saw today on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw here today. We'll see you guys next video.
Go!